Have you ever noticed how a movie night can turn into scrolling night, and squinting in a tablet or a small TV just doesn't feel special anymore? Hi everyone, I am Valentine, an engineer who quit her career to do tech reviews here on YouTube, and today I am going to be reviewing the TCL A1s Projector. Guys, absolutely love this one and I hope you're going to like my review. Well, let's get started. So guys, TCL really doesn't need an introduction. It is the world's #2 TV brand by shipments, and their whole projector lineup is SGS-certified, which just means it's independently tested. The A1s turns almost any wall into a giant screen in the bedroom, the living room, the backyard, or whatever you are traveling. Setup honestly takes seconds. I carried it room to room and it handles everything itself. Autofocus, Keystone Correction, Obstacle Avoidance, the auto screen alignment, so the image lands as a clear rectangle without me touching a thing. It works with the Versa grip handle, which doubles as a stand that tilts 0 to 15 degrees, and the buttons are hidden touch controls right on top. So losing the remote isn't a crisis, like never. The picture is where 44 years of TV experience shows. TrueHue calibration and their own CSOT display. This is tech that gives you natural color and real contrast. It works with HDR10, which keeping dark scenes detailed instead of muddy. The Flare 5 glass lens is about 70% sharper than others on the market. It's a native 1080 pixels with 4K support and works with 600 ISO Lumens of certified brightness with no exaggerated numbers. You can stretch the screen from 45 and up to 150 inches. Now, here is the honest part, guys. In a fully lit room, you'll want something far brighter and far pricier. The A1s is built for evenings, so you can keep maybe just one lamp on for that cozy look and everything will look fantastic. Sound, that's what surprised me the most. It works with dual 8W speakers in a 400cc chamber, which is pushing a real stereo up to 85 decibels down to 75 Hz, all tuned by the Dolby and TI amplifier with 6 EQ modes plus AI. Everything works with AI these days. This AI reads what you are watching. Fan noise stays under 30 decibels, so quiet scenes actually stay quiet. Now, Google TV is built in with a 10,000 plus apps like Netflix, YouTube, plus Chromecast, plus Google Assistant, Gemini, and MediaTek chip, all to keep everything smooth. You can mirror your phone in a tap, and it has HDMI, USB, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth for everything else. And it ships with a free travel case, which I absolutely love. It's a lightweight and so very compact and comfortable to carry around. So if you want to take this one with you to camping or for outdoors, absolutely no problem. You even got a case to carry this one around. And it also made to last. The Everclear sealed optical engine is IP5X dust rated for 1,200 hours of verified durability. Has an LED light source, which is good for 30,000 hours of use. So no dust spots creeping into your picture like ever. So if your movie nights have quietly become scrolling nights, this is the thing that makes them feel like an event again. Guys, search TCL Projector on Amazon. This is the Prime Day, so search it for Amazon or click the link down below. Guys, it works truly amazing. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. Let me know how do you watch your movies, what type of a TV you are using. Now, we are having 75-inch TV in our living room, and we have a theater room, like literally a theater, a movies room, separately just to watch movies from the projectors, because I love projectors. They are giving me this feeling of a real cinema, you know, like a real, maybe a little bit old-fashioned, maybe a little bit of retro, maybe a little bit of like going out to the movies, like a night out, like a movie night, like a true experience with a movie, with whatever you're watching, even if it's just a cartoons for your baby or an anime. So I absolutely love projectors. That's why I said we have a special room literally separated just for that. And I was so excited to test out this TCL A1s projector. It worked absolutely amazing for me. I enjoy watching the movies, and I was able to watch it in my bedroom, in my living room, and in my theater room, which is especially equipped equipped to watch movies from a projector. So this one is so very portable, such a small size, such a compact weight, and you can literally take this one with you anywhere you are going. So guys, I will highly recommend you to check this TCL projector out. I'm gonna leave you all the links down below at the description box, as well as, guys, this is the Prime Day. Amazon Prime Day happening right now, at this like very much second moment. So you snooze, you lose. So don't snooze, because you're gonna lose. So guys, go check it out. I'm gonna leave you all the links. First of all, Amazon, of course, the link to the Amazon. Go check out how much you can save if you buy through the Prime Day. You know, the Prime Day, it's once a year, and this is the cheapest price you can find on Amazon through the entire year. Cheaper than Black Friday, because Black Friday is global, while Prime Day, it's Amazon only. You know what I'm saying? So guys, be so very sure to check it all out. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you on my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.